Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about play for cipher algorithm. So play for cipher algorithm is one of the example for traditional substitution cipher techniques, and it is an example for polyalphabetic cipher. So here more than one character are used for encryption and decryption. That's why it's called as multiple substitution cipher technique. The input for this algorithm are keyword and the plain text. So what is the difference between monoalphabetic cipher and polyalphabetic cipher? Polyalphabetic cipher example is Playfair cipher, and monoalphabetic cipher is additive cipher. Why it is called as polyalphabetic means more than one character is encrypted at a time, whereas in Caesar cipher each and every character is encrypted one at a time. Okay, single character is encrypted. That's why it's called as monoalphabetic. Whereas in polyalphabetic, more than one character is encrypted one at a time. Okay. So what are the steps for Playfair cipher algorithm? The first step is splitting the plain text. That is, we have a plain text. You have to split the plain text characters into groups. So each group consists of only 2 characters. While splitting the characters, you have to follow 2 rules. One is, in the pair, there should not be the repeating characters. So for example, if the plain text is green, the group consists of GREEN. In the second group, we have the repeating characters EE. So that EE should be replaced by some other filler letter X. Now the group consists of the characters GR, EX, EN. So this is one rule. The second rule is, while splitting the plain text characters, if the last group contains only one character, then also you have to introduce one new filler letter. For example, let the plain text be network. We are splitting these characters into two characters. So the group contains NE, TW, OR, and in the final group I am having only one character K. So we have to introduce one filler letter X. So that's about the first step. Second step, you have to fill a 5 cross 5 matrix. In order to fill this 5 cross 5 matrix, you need a keyword. So here we assume that the keyword is Playfair. So initially, you have to fill the matrix by the keyword Playfair. While filling this keyword in this matrix, again remind there should not be any repeating letters. If you have any repeating letters in the keyword, you have to omit, you have to discard one character. For example, in this keyword Playfair, I am having the repeating letter A. So you don't need to write A 2 times. Okay. So just write only once. Another one A is discarded. And the remaining cells in the matrix are filled by the letters which are not coming in the keyword. Okay, the letters which are not in the keyword are filled in the matrix. Okay. And another one point, while filling this element, while filling this cell, okay, the characters I and J occupies the same cell. We assume that the characters I and J occupies the same cell. So that's about the second step. The third step is converting the plain text to ciphertext. So here we have 3 scenarios. The first scenario is, if the plain text letters are in the same row, then how we are encrypting? If the plain text letters are in the same row, each plain text is replaced by its right side letter, and we assume that the last letter in that row circularly follows the first letter. Okay. So for example, we are encrypting the letters P1 and P2. P1 is replaced by its right side letter C1 and P2 is replaced by its right side letter C2. And consider the second diagram. Here also P1 and P2 are in the same row. So P1 is replaced by its right side letter C1. Since we don't have any right side letter for P2, and we assume that the last element in the row circularly follows the first element. So P2 is followed by C2. So P2 is replaced by C2. So consider one example. Let our plain text be GM. The letters G and M are in the same row. So G is replaced by its right side letter H and M is replaced by its right side letter E. We assume that the last element in the row circularly follows the first. That's about the first scenario. The second scenario is if the letters are in the same column, how we are encrypting. If the letters are in the same column, then each plaintext letter is replaced by its below letter. Okay, so consider the first diagram. We are encrypting the letters P1 and P2. P1 is replaced by its below letter C1 and P2 is replaced by its below letter C2. Consider the second diagram. Here also we assume that the last element in the column circularly follows the first element. Okay. So consider the second diagram. P1 and P2 are in the same column. So P2 is replaced by its below letter C2. We don't have any below letters for P1, but we assume that the last element in the column circularly follows the first one. So P1 is replaced by C1. Consider our plain text is IU. I and U are in the same column. So I is replaced by its beneath letter E and U is replaced by its beneath letter P. Here our assumption is the last letter in the column circularly follows the first letter. So that's about the second scenario. The third scenario is if the plain text letters are not in the same row, not in the same column, then how encryption is done? In this case, you have to join P1 and P2 by one rectangle. Okay. The replacement letters are the other corners of the rectangle. For example, consider the plain text letters P1, P2 in the first diagram. They are not in the same row, they are not in the same column. So we have drawn one rectangle which connects P1 and P2. P1 and P2 are in one corner of the rectangle. So the replacement letters are the letters which are lies in the other corner of the rectangle. Okay, so C1 and C2. So in this example, we are encrypting the letters O and C. O and C are not in same row, they are not in same column. So you join the letters O and C by a rectangle. Okay, they lies in one corner of the rectangle. See the other corners of the rectangle, we have the letters R and S. So O is replaced by S and C is replaced by R. So this is how encryption is done in a Playfair cipher. Okay. Thank you. Thank you all.